Systems, a partner and a friend.
Hi, Ron Hughes here with Pattison Liquid Systems. Today we're going to go over our 5210 Tow Behind Liquid Caddy. So here we are at the front of our 5200 Tow Behind cart. This cart comes standard with 30.5, 32 front tires, 2 on the front, duals on the back. On this cart we've got the outer duals taken off for transport. But this cart, as it's sitting here today, has the upgraded 800 metric tires, which is a nice option for a little bit better flotation. We've got our standard 3.5 inch ball and socket set up on the front end. The socket halves are greasable, and as you can see, our caddies come ready to go. All the plumbing is there. The hydraulic lines are plumbed right to the hitch for the hydraulic pump. Up top, we've got it's an 1.5 inch supply line coming from the pump and an 1.5 inch return line to go back to the tank. So here we are at the side of our 5210 Tow Behind Liquid Caddy. As you can see, we've got the transport marker lights all down the side, so makes a little bit safer traveling down the roads in the dark. Our equipment documentation and our chem wash station here. So on the top, place to put spare filters, some small tools, and we can carry some fresh water with us too. Here's our filter housing. So this is your suction filter between the tanks and the pump. This strainer, you're going to want to make sure there's always a 30 mesh suction filter in here. And our carts are plumbed that we can pull product from the front tank, the back tank, or both at the same time, just in case you want to take a load off an axle. This cart comes standard with the 9303 stainless high-pro pump. There is also an option to go to a ground drive pump on this cart, but this one's shown with the stainless pump. So this pump is going to take about 10 gallons a minute of hydraulic flow from your tractor, and it has a max output of 160 gallons a minute of product. Whether it's a ground drive pump or the hydraulic pump, we put a 75 PSI spiked valve that will just dump back into the tank if you ever have a valve lock up on the drill, and just so we're not shocking the pump here. So here we are at the back of the 5210. This cart, as I said, comes standard with 30.5, 32 dual rear tires. This cart has the 800 metrics on it. The rear axle on this cart is going to have 20,000 pound hubs and spindles, 16,000 pound hubs and spindles on the front. Standard on this cart as well is a 6.5 horsepower Honda with a banjo pump on it that'll do 330 gallons a minute. This one has the high output high-pro pump that does 440 gallons a minute. A really nice feature on this cart as well is the automatic shutoff. So there's a float in the top of the tank that will, when the liquid hits it as the cart's filling, will shut the pump motor off. So, you know, if you start the pump, start filling, you're filling the seed cart or checking runs, or you're in the cab having a sandwich, you're not going to miss shutting the pump off and overfilling. We've got the transport safety lights around the outside and lights above the wheels, and this cart as well has an LED light above the fill station. So if you're working at night, there's lots of light back here. All of our carts are 3-inch fill. We're not just going to use this pump to fill the caddy, but we can also use this pump to agitate product in the tanks if it sits for a few days, or if you're stuck or you're going to switch blends, you can always use this pump to unload the cart back onto your transfer unit. So thanks for taking a few minutes to watch our video from Lemberg, Saskatchewan here on the 5210 Tow Behind Liquid Cart. If you have any questions, please give us a call at the office or check us out on the web at liquidsystems.net. Thank you.
Pattison Liquid Systems, expect the best.